the right-believing prince Rostislav-Michael of Kiev. March 14th. A pious 12th century prince navigates political strife to rule justly, defend the church, and unite the lands of Rus. The right-believing Prince Rostislav-Michael, Mstislavich, a luminary of the 12th century, served as Prince of Smolensk and later as the Great Prince of Kiev. Born around 1110, he was the son of the Holy Great Prince Mstislav the Great and a grandson of Vladimir Monomach. His life bore witness to profound piety, unwavering justice, and a steadfast dedication to the Orthodox Church. He understood his princely authority as a service offered to God, and he labored to defend the lands of Rus while establishing spiritual foundations through the construction of churches and monasteries. His memory is honored on March 14th. For nearly 40 years, Prince Rostislav governed the city of Smolensk. Under his rule, the city flourished, experiencing a period of growth and stability. He founded the city of Rostislavl during this time. Guided by the wisdom of the local bishop, Rostislav oversaw the construction of numerous churches throughout Smolensk, including a cathedral dedicated to the holy apostles Peter and Paul. In 1136, his efforts were instrumental in establishing the first episcopacy in Smolensk, providing a firm spiritual pillar for the region. His governance in Smolensk was marked by a commitment to Christian order and the well-being of his people, reflecting his inner disposition of faith. Following the repose of his elder brother Izyaslav in 1154, Rostislav ascended to the throne as Great Prince of Kiev. However, his rule was brief at first, as he was soon displaced by Prince Izyaslav Davidovich of Chernigov. The people of Kiev, recognizing his righteous character and just leadership, invited him to rule once more in 1159. Upon his return, he governed with wisdom and a clear vision for peace. He dedicated himself to ending the civil strife that often plagued the princes of Rus, seeking to unite them in common defense against external threats. His actions demonstrated a desire for unity and stability, not for personal gain, but for the welfare of the Christian land. As great prince, Rostislav stood as a staunch defender and patron of the Orthodox Church. His deep respect for the clergy was evident in his interactions and policies. He extended his generosity to many monasteries, including the revered Kiev Caves Lavra, providing for their needs and supporting their spiritual work. The chronicles of his time record his meekness, his capacity for forbearance, and his unwavering commitment to peace. He did not seek confrontation, but rather sought reconciliation and harmony among the warring factions, always with an eye towards the spiritual health of his people and the Church. In 1167, Prince Rostislav led a military campaign against the Cumans, Polovchins in the southern lands. On his return journey, he fell gravely ill. Sensing that his earthly life was drawing to a close, he expressed a desire to receive the monastic tonsure at the St. Theodore Monastery in Kiev, an institution he had generously endowed during his reign. Before this wish could be fully realized, he reposed in peace on March 14, 1167, as he was being transported back to Kiev. His body was laid to rest in the Theodorov Monastery, fulfilling his wish to be interred in that sacred place. Through his life, the right-believing Prince Rostislav-Michael demonstrated that princely power, when exercised with piety, justice, and a spirit of service, becomes a means of glorifying God and building up his church on earth. His memory remains a testament to righteous governance, guided by Orthodox faith.